Here's how I easily created this light trail effect in Final Cut Pro. First, I filmed this shot where I'm walking through a field swinging around a RGB video light. This was set to a nice bright blue color. It could have been set to any color, it's just important to make sure that it's a different color than anything else in the scene. When I was done and I had walked out of the scene, I kept recording for another 30 seconds or so. This is important because I'm going to be using this bit of footage later on in the editing process. Opening this up in Final Cut Pro, go to the effects panel and add a keyer effect to the video. At first, this is going to delete all of the grass because it's like a green screen effect, but by manually selecting blue on the color wheel and tinkering with the parameters of it a bit, I got this to only be erasing the blue light. Then go to invert. This will switch it and it will then be erasing everything except the blue light. Then in the effects panel, search for trails. Applying this to the video is what's going to create that really cool light trail effect. The adjustment sliders on this effect will allow you to control the density and the length of the light trails. If you want to, you can also add a blur effect to smooth things out a bit. And I also like to add a glow effect as well, just to brighten it up. I thought it would look cool to have two lights kind of chasing each other through the scene, so I just duplicated the clip on top of itself and then slid the top video over a little bit on the timeline, creating two separate lights. And now to add the background back into the scene, I'm going to take the last 30 seconds of video that I had recorded after I had walked out of view and turn all of the effects off so it's just back to being a regular video clip, drag that underneath the other two videos, and here's the final result.